Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equation. So now I will show you how to answer. We have e to the power of x, e to the power of x. We simplify for the both sides. So we have cosine y dx minus sine y dy. Next, we divide both sides by cosine y. Next, we put this one go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integral of the x, we have x. The integral of this one, we have negative ln of the absolute value of cosine y. And we put about c in here. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equals to number 0, y equals to p. So we put this one to find the value of c, that is about the constant. So we put number 0 go in here, and this one b go in here. And now we can get the final answer. And c equals to number 0. So that means the final answer, that should be like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.